What is up, everybody? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to be doing a quick introduction to the channel video. Picked up a bunch of scissors, 2 from Milwaukee, as well as three from, actually 4, but 3 in this video from Crescent Wise. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today I got a bunch of scissors. This is going to be the introduction to the channel. I'm going to be doing reviews on these down the road. So I picked up a bunch of scissors at the same time. I also have one other pair, but I picked them up on the 3rd trip to Home Depot today. So these were bought at the exact same time. I picked up one other Crescent pair, which is... we'll do a separate video on it, which is these guys right here. These guys are the CW7 Tonys. These are used for landscaping, J-channel, flashing, and tubing, and more. I might need to take these back, though. These are really, really bent. I don't think they're supposed to be that way. I was wondering why they felt weird in the hand. They're definitely bent. Even when you put them together, they don't go together straight. See that? But these are the other ones that I picked up. This is just going to be the quick introduction video. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. So these are the job site offset scissors. These are serrated. 48-22-4040. These are the job site straight scissors that are smooth, not serrated. 48-22-4041. These are the serrated Crescent Wise job site use. These are Charlie Whiskey 10 Tony Mary. These are landscaping, flooring, roofing, siding, and more. These are right hand. Because they have indentation for right hand use. You can use them with your left hand. It's just not going to feel as nice. Your whole outside section of your thumb actually goes into the hole, fits really nice. Your thumb can actually ride up here. It's got a groove for it. Feels really nice in the hand. These are the serrated ones. These are titanium coated. 4 extra long 4-inch cuts. These guys right here are the same as the ones I just showed you, but these are the smooth jawed. These are for use with heavy fabric, cardboard, leather, plastic, and more. Professional shears. Comfort, grip, titanium coated as well, right-handed also. And then last, that's going to be in this video, are these guys right here, which are the stainless steel blades, light fabric, thin plastic, cardboard, all-purpose. These are both right and left-handed because this groove is the same on each side. So you can wear them this way, wear them this way, doesn't matter. Some of these have finger grooves, like this one has an index finger groove right here, so you can go like that. Or you can put your whole hand in there however you feel or choose. These are the same. They have a finger groove. So you can put 3 fingers in here. And your finger on the outside. You can put 4 fingers in these if you want. They all feel really nice. All of them are through tang design like these. You can see the metal on the outside. The Milwaukees have a finger groove on the outside because they're not big enough to fit all 4 fingers comfortably. So they're meant to hold like that. Same with the larger ones. It's just a quick video. Just wanted to let you guys know. Bring it to the channel. You're guys gonna see the introduction to the video channel sooner than you're gonna see these anyways. But I bought all these at the same time, plus the ones I showed you that we're gonna be unboxing in a different video because I got some other stuff. Picked up some Carhartt shirts, some Milwaukee shirts, and another Ryobi tool. And I haven't seen a Ryobi tool like that, so that's why I picked it up. And I'm going to do reviews on these down the road, how well they feel, you know, how sharp are they in, you know, like a year or two after use. As well as which ones are more comfortable. The Milwaukee's to me aren't bad, but the Crescent wise feel a lot more comfortable in my hands. The plastics on the Crescents, the handles on the Crescents are plastic with tangs inside. You can see the tang right here. That's what that is right there. That's the metal tang on the outside. Where the Milwaukee's are rubber and plastic. So that's a plus for the Milwaukee's, where your fingers go are rubberized. And I kind of like that the tang, you can see the tang on the outsides of the Milwaukee's. We'll see down in the future which ones are more comfortable, how the blades hold up over time. You know, I'll let you know what I cut with them. You know, who knows, some of these you may want to cut plants with them, because it says landscaping, flooring, roofing, siding for these, heavy duty fabric, cardboard, leather, plastic for these. These right here say light fabric, thin plastic, and cardboard, so they all can cut cardboard. I normally use this guy for cardboard though, and cutting plastic because it's quick and easy. But appreciate you guys stopping by. That's all I got for you guys today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Also got some of these Crescent Apex items for some videos before these scissors. I got these from Lowe's. Lots of bits. We're going to be testing those out as well. If you guys would like to send some Ryobi tools to the channel, please get a hold of me in the comments, or email me. My email is in the About section on YouTube. I don't plan on getting any impact drivers, recips, or anything like that, or drills or anything like that from Ryobi. If you guys would like to send some of those, whether they're the HPs or they're some older ones for head-to-head testing, please get a hold of me. I have no issue sending the tools back when I'm done using them. If I do break them, I don't plan on breaking any tools, to be honest with you. Just want to do quick, simple tests with other tools. But if I do break them, I will see if there's a way that I can get them warranted before I send them back. But I don't believe I'm going to break any tools. So if you would like to send me some to help out on the channel so I could do more videos for you guys, that would be awesome. It's not cheap buying all of these tool brands and all of these identical tools. You know, I got hammer drills from probably 9 different companies. I got impact drivers from 9 different companies. Don't necessarily want to buy more impact drivers. But if you guys can send some, that would be awesome for head-to-heads. I will mail them back as soon as I'm done, and I'll even clean them if I dirty them up. But if you don't want to, it's no big deal. I do appreciate what you guys do. So we got Milwaukee M12, M18 brushed and brushless tools, fuel tools as well. We got DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. Got Makita 7.2 volt, 9 volt. Got 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as 40 volt and 80 volt coming to the channel for Makita. We got Metabo 18 volt and 12 volt. We have Bosch 18 volt core. We got Metabo HPT or Hitachi Power Tools 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt. We got Bosch stick 18 volt, if I didn't mention that. We have 12 volt and 20 volt Earthquake Extreme or Earthquake XT from Harbor Freight. We do have a bunch of Earthquake stuff in the pneumatic side as well. We got lots of corded tools. We got Milwaukee, DeWalt, Stanley, Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Makita, Bosch. Those are all corded. And they are a lot of the older tools before Stanley owned 4 of those. We also got lots of pneumatic tools. If any of those things interest you guys, please smush the bell notification icon for future updates. We're going to be picking up 2 Sheetmaster jaw horses for house use and me needing them. And we're going to be using them on the channel. We're going to start buying wood with the money from the channel. We're going to start doing head-to-head. So appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace! Eat your spaghetti tacos.